hear it is... I hear it is extraordinary.
I appreciate your interest in my work, but I am loyal to General Ludendorff. Besides, now I see your attention is... elsewhere.
Enjoying the party?
I confess I'm not sure what it is we're celebrating.
A German victory, of course.
Victory? When I hear peace could be so close.
Peace is only an armistice in an endless war.
Thucydides.
Ah, you know your ancient Greeks. They understood that war is a god. A god that requires human sacrifice. And in exchange, war gives man purpose, meaning, a chance to rise above his petty, mortal little self and be courageous, noble, better.
Only one of the many gods believed in that. And he was wrong.
You know nothing of the gods.
Herr General?
Enjoy the fireworks.